Hello students, today we will discuss how to add a comment to a cell. As we were deciding in the earlier lecture that what is the need to add a comment to your column or to your particular cell. So let us have the look upon how to add a comment to a cell. You are just having a cell here and you want to add the comment for this column or cell. You just go to review button. There is the option for adding new comment. You can also press Shift F2. It is a shortcut for adding any new comment to your Excel sheet. Just click this button. You can have the comment here like shows list of companies. It is an electronic sticky note, you can see. So this comment is added, you press enter, and this comment is added to your company cell. Now you can add multiple comments for your multiple cells. If you want to add comment to it, you can again type anything that it is approximate or approximate value. Just press enter and the note will be added. So this is very useful feature of Excel to add the comments into your worksheet. Now you are having this worksheet and you are having the red mark which shows you that some of the comments are added to this column. Now if you want to add some of the comments to your printing page, if you want to take the printout of your page and you want to show the comments in that, then you have the option here to show all the comments. Look, all the comments will be showed into your worksheet and it will get printed with your print page option. If you want to hide them, you just click this button again. This is a way how to show and hide your comments. You can also add it here already added comment by just go to edit comment. If you want to put some other text here, you just press enter and the comment will be updated. Look, here is the button in the comments group to edit them. Here is the button to delete them. If you want to delete any your comment, this is the button to take your cursor to previous comment, and this is to your next comment. So this was all about the comments. You can have hundreds of comments into your worksheet. You can edit them, delete them, and you can also print them. We will do the printing of your comments in the next chapter. Thank you.